Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Control and Coordination, and in that we are studying topic Inhibition of Reflex Action. Now when the child starts eating, he is unable to swallow or he is unable to suck milk from his mother. Those are inhibition reflex action. Let's study about them today. In infants or baby who are just newly born, the act of defecation, swallowing, coughing is not learned when they are born. It is not under their control, especially defecation or passing stool. They slowly learn this process, and as somebody grows, the process of defecation is something that one's govern control on. They don't do it anywhere and everywhere. They try to have conscious choices and decisions about it. Same is the process of sucking milk from the mother, the process of swallowing. These are the reflex actions or reflex associates which are slowly and steadily learned. Inhibition of reflex action. Now, especially in small children or who are just born, which are infants, the act of defecation or passing stool or passing urine, which is maturation, is never under their control. Basically, the nerve reflexes or reflex action controls it. They have no control on it. So, but when they grow and their age develops, they start getting aware of it. Their sensory nervous system or the sensory neurons get used to it. They become aware along with their spinal cord, and then once they are fully aware, they have act of controlling it or managing it. So students, in this part of the chapter we came across inhibition of reflex action and how does it work. I hope you all are very clear with this concept. Thank you.